Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing the driving data on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Follow the steps to learn how to view your driving data on the Seat Arona. Tap the car button to the right of the screen, then tap View in the top left. Choose Driving Data from the options. You can now use the previous and next buttons to scroll through the driving data. You can see data for since start, long term and since refueling. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.